There we go. 3 different color silicones here today, guys. We did an almond here in the corner. Blends with the existing grout really well. That's our almond. This one had to be thicker because the tile wasn't cut as tight. Here's our almond grout, our silicone. We did the chestnut brown around the perimeter. That's chestnut brown. You see that nice sheen or that shine to it. 100% silicone, chestnut brown. Nice clean silicone line. Very clean corners. And then we did clear silicone outside of this shower door frame rail here. Inside and outside clear. So 3 silicones, 1 shot.